Hello, friends. Teacher, proud to be a nation builder. Teachers, make a difference. For all you do each day to motivate, to inspire, to engage, to challenge, to unlock the potential in every child. That's what we are doing, right? As a teacher today, what you are, where you are, and how the society made us. Is it the right time to take the right decision and make to change by ourselves or not? I am a teacher behind the doctor, economist, astronomers, politicians. I'm the behind it for all the professionals. But of course, today you see, my dear teachers, what is the position of the actual teacher? What the teacher is doing? I'm a teacher behind every person in the world. It's me, a teacher. I carry the light even though they mostly make jokes of me. But I am a teacher. I do not qualify for a bungalow or villa, nor do even enough to buy an expensive house, car, like others and politicians. But yes, I am a teacher. Something, or even say that I have too many holidays, never knowing that I spent those holidays either correcting papers or planning what and how I am going to teach when I go back to school. Because I am a teacher, sometimes I get confused and even get stressed by ever changing the policies on teachers over what and how I have to reach the society. Despite all that I'm a teacher, I love to teach. I'm a teaching. I am teaching. The main source of my satisfaction is when I see them growing, succeeding, having all those assets, bravely facing the world and its challenges, and say yes, I have taught in spite of living in the world opened by Google and YouTube. Yes, I am a teacher. It does not matter how look at me. It does not matter how much earn than I do. It does not matter that they drive while I work, because all what they have is through me. Yes, I am a teacher. I know I am a teacher. It's funny and it's happy. Whether they acknowledge me or not, I am a teacher. Friends, teachers, those who are the teachers applicable for all these words for all the teachers. What's the message through this? I always value, yes, I'm a teacher. When my student achieved anything in his life, that was the greatest happiness for me than their acknowledgement. Teacher always radiation of knowledge within them that should resemble while in their teaching. Radiation of purity of life in their life in their teaching should resemble always. Teacher had got fantastic opportunity to grow minds, to enrich the minds, give the dreams in the young people, nurture, which means that help or encourage the development of young minds. Sometimes they will become better than teacher. Teacher always to be a research person on youngsters. Of course, I am a teacher. Sometimes some parents and some students, people they have forgotten. We feel somewhere in the corner how important you really are. Your creativity, your dedication, your passion. It's time to reminder for every child that says, I am not smart enough. I don't get it. I cannot. This is what the student says in the beginning, in the learning stage. There is a teacher who always says, you can, my dear boy, my dear girl, we can. For every child who needs the basic skills and knowledge, someone to believe in him, there is a teacher who will do whatever it takes. Encourage, motivate, challenge, engage, and inspire and instill a love for learning. So for every teacher who works with our children, building a better future for all us, one child at a time. Of course, my dear teachers, even when it seems like no one is watching or that people have forgotten just how special the teachers are really are, we salute to you. We salute to the teacher and us. Thank you. So repeat after us. I make the difference. I am a teacher. I make the difference. Now use your outside voice. Come on. I make difference for reaching each child to become next a great author, artist, scientist, architect, musician, doctor, engineer, again like a teacher. You make a difference as a teacher. The best example to see the change in the child mind, you watch once how a fantastic movie Tare Zameen Par. Stars are on the earth which you are supposed to be molded. We are well known, my dear teachers, my dear friends, great leaders. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are harmony, or all are correlated, said by our Mahatma Gandhi. If you want to shine like a sun, first you should burn like a sun. Our greatest person, Abdul Kalam. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Swami Vivekananda. A lamp can only light another lamp when it continues to burn in its own flame. You have to learn continuously. This is very, very important, my dear friends. These four quotations, very carefully if you observe. Shine yourself, first burn you like a sun. Don't waste our time. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. How lovely sentence Rabindranath Tagore said that you should continuously work out for the learning. Yes, my dear friends, this is the time to learn. Teacher is a nation builder. Where the teachers are present, what to do, the present situation. Don't forget the nation. Don't forget in the nation, you and your family are the members in the beautiful nation. Don't forget to update yourself on every change in the society like technology, etc., etc., etc. The best media today to update ourselves is YouTube. The best method of learning is self-learning using availability of resources is YouTube. The best guru for you is at this point of time is YouTube. The best idea to update yourself in technology through YouTube. All this through YouTube, what you are learning and what you are observing, learn and earn through YouTube. Today, there are plenty of opportunities are there. Only the thing is, you need to update first. That is the main important, my dear friends. A teacher for NEP, National Education Policy 2020, or it is called as for 21st century, who will be considered as a teacher? Teaching by using the technology is going to become a teacher for the next generation. Ready to accept new technology for teaching. Soft skills in teaching while using the technology. Today, to make yourself ready, you require two things. One is mobile, another one is laptop. These two devices, mandatory things for your life as a teacher. Areas need to check by a teacher for 21st century. What are the areas you need to check for the 21st century? Or to become a smart teacher, to become a technical teacher. Whether you have to observe that typing skills using the typing master. Are you able to type 30 to 40 words per minute with accuracy? Do you know the shortcuts of the using keyboard? Do you know operating system? Do you know how to operate the smartphone, tab, laptop, or any kind of electronic device? Which do you know? You check yourself. Minimum knowledge on Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, PPT, taking the screenshot, using the snipping tool, using the painting, and also connecting to the Wi-Fi, the computer from the mobile data. Does this technology do you know or not? Think over now. Conversion of Word to Excel, Excel to PDF, PDF to PPT, PPT to JPEG format. Do you know this concept of conversion of these documents, one form to another, one format to another format? Do you know the video and audio recording and editing by using any party softwares? Many things are available nowadays in the free of recording, like Bandicam, VRecorder, Filmigo, PPT 2010 version, All these are there nowadays very excellently. We have given training. We have plenty of this, people are using. Even power direct. Even many things are there nowadays for the recording, audio and video recording. That is called screen recording. Completion of information about email, SMS, WhatsApp, YouTube account. Do you know all these things? Google Apps, Gmail, Drive, Google Mates, Google Forms, Google Sheets, Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Maps, Google Chrome. These are all various things. Today, without this knowledge, you cannot become a smart teacher for 2020 of NEP, National Educational Policy, for the next generation. What is necessary for the online teacher? How teacher get ready for the online teaching? A teacher for 21st century to meet the requirements of a NEP. What I said about, these are all the about things: typing and shortcuts, operating system, and MS Office, Wi-Fi internet connection, and also Word, Excel, PPT, JPEG, video conversion, and completion of the complete information, email and SMS, WhatsApp, YouTube, Google Apps, Gmail, Drive, Google Meets, and Google Forms, and Google Sheets, Google Docs, and Google Slides, and Google Maps, Google Chrome. These are the very important for everyone as a teacher. About things you should know it. Then only he or she ready to take video conference calls. That is called as online teaching. By using the Zoom app, WebEx, GeoMeets, Hangouts, and Meets, and also Google Classroom, or any other softwares. Privately, we are nowadays it is available. Many of the softwares for the online teaching. What are the present online apps for the third party apart from the schools? Every school may be having some of the apps for the online teaching. Apart from that, in the present situation, there are many apps are there like Byju's, Vedantu, and Toppers, etc. Many things are there. I don't want to say all the names. Who is charging for the counseling guidance for the parent around 25 to 30K to teach? But parents are paying very happily without any question, since the lessons are meeting to the students' psychology and also colorful, fully loaded, pre-recorded. Even after you as a teacher who want to become a teacher for the above apps like Byju's or Vedantu or Toppers, whatever it is, need to update yourself for the 21st century. You want to become a 21st century, you must know the technology. That is very important. Teachers, of course, whether my teachers know or not, I don't know. This is very important, my dear teachers. Many people says that how to get the solution for NCERT solutions apps. Do you know these 6 apps are available free of cost in the market, and free of cost, need not any charge. ePathashala, Government of India, which was launched. All the lessons, videos, and also worksheets are available. NCERT app is a mobile app only. I have given here there is a kind of I have given here their links. Okay, just you can enter ePathashala in Play Store, Google Play Store. Automatically you will get this link. NCERT, you will get this link. My CBSE guide, you will get this link. And Grade Up School, you will get this link. R.D. Sharma, you will get this link. Diksha, you will get this link. So these are mainly 6 apps are there free of cost to get all the solutions for NCERT books. My dear teachers, are you ready to update yourself? Yes. If you are yes, what the language teachers has to do it? They should be good in communication. They should be good in such language skills, good in subject skills, good in punctuations and pronunciations, good in teaching techniques with information and communication technology. There are different ways are there for the language to teach the language. It may be Kannada, it may be Hindi, English, or whatever it is, or Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, whatever it is. Core subject teacher. A core subject teacher also a subject skills and who should know the soft skills and maintain some patience, good in teaching techniques with information and communication technology. An art or PET or music or yoga or dance or librarian or skating or karate teachers, which is called as co-curricular activities. There are multiple changes, multiple concepts in co-curricular activities. SUPW, socially useful, productive work, app development, computer programming in small level should be talent and handling the students' good communication skills and with information communication technology. Different types of games and different technical things where the students should know it. That's the reason for the above this co-curricular activity teachers, those who are there, they should be smarter than language and core subject teachers. A computer teacher who is a key role, he or she, plays in a vital role in the field of education. And for 21st century, to meet the requirements of NEP 2020, who is a key role in this technology in the school and its development of technology. He or should be fully equipped with technical knowledge about operating computer. Maybe subject teachers are different. You are a teacher to say to some students, so that you must be update time to time in your subject by using the multimedia. You should always know achievements in your role by others, and you also role model for others. Should know how to take positive and how to implement. So my dear friends, what to do? The following 2 methods to update as a teacher for 21st century and to reach the requirements of National Education Policy to 2020. The first method is, that's your choice. You can go ahead for free login in e-learning www.avkgroup.com. As a student, you can log in, then you will get all the lessons free of cost. We are not charging any single rupee also. And coming to the another point, you have to subscribe AVK Group YouTube channel so that you will get all the videos, lessons videos, training videos for the teachers, and all the updated some things what I informed to you, what I said the complete things to entire project, what are the updations for the teachers required. All the videos are available in ABVK Group YouTube channel. Click like, click on icon buttons after subscribing, then definitely You will watch all the videos. Every video is there. We have divided into 15 to 16 different playlists. Go ahead and you can, if you have any doubt, you please call to me or you can WhatsApp to this number. Complete project I will explain to you, or I will just share with you. What is the second method here? Second method also is there. Within 15 days, training, if you any individual teacher required, it is a chargeable 10,000 rupees. A group of 10 teachers, if those who would like to become and approach us, it will be charged for 50,000 rupees for each. It falls 5,000 rupees. If 20 teachers are coming at a time, definitely there is charge for each teacher is 3,000 rupees, total 60,000 rupees. So it's a good offer for the schools who require this technology, who required complete project. Yes, my opinion is you can choose the first method because and become a self learner. Since you are a teacher, don't forget you are a teacher and nation builder. You have to build yourself first. Of course, my teachers do and select the first option. So in this, I definitely giving my complete entire details here. Anytime you can call or you can mail, you can do the best job. But I feel just I'm explaining to you. But in my experience, within the couple of years, very tough experience within this pandemic situation. But I realized Rabindranath Tagore, what he said. That is why we are ever learner. Thank you, my dear teachers. Of course, anything is missed out, I will come forward in the next video. Definitely, I will support you, and your cooperation and your value is very important. Only the thing is, you need to subscribe the channel and click on bell icon. Automatically, what we are doing the complete project, you will get every time notifications. Another my 10 videos are there. Another my, especially I'm having 10 videos for the teachers, for the students, for the especially outgoing students of 10th standard students. I have a complete project. They can do the maximum when they are moving out from my school. Do you want to involve in my channel? Please welcome. Do you want to join with us as a teacher for the website? You are welcome. Do you want some encouragement from our end? Definitely we can. So saying these couple of words, my dear teachers, be a teacher. Be a proud teacher. You have to do the best what you like. Hope I tried to reach, my dear teachers. Thank you one and all. Don't forget to join in the e-learning www.abvkgroup.com. It is a free of cost. Sign up. It's a free of cost as a student, so that you will get all the options. Even it is related to my students also. Those who are studying with us, those who are not studying with us, they are for them also very, very, very useful. And wherever you are there, whether you are in a village or whether you are in the city, where it's, since that's what I am trying to be, make the distance between the city and the village very narrow. Thank you. Many more things I have it in my mind. Let me discuss with you. Thank you. Thank you, my dear teachers and my dear friends.